I look like I'm terrified.
Hi y'all again.
I got a pimple. I'm just kidding.
Hey y'all.
Don't talk like that. You're not country. You're being racist to country people.
That's what I say, hey y'all. That's how I always say to you. Hey y'all.
No, you don't.
Hey y'all. We're going to show you our jumps.
Again. Not high.
Make sure you do it right.
I know.
I'm actually pretty comfortable. Oh.
Let's see if I can mess up again.
Pinch that way. Oh, wait,
Your mom didn't change her car.
She's good. You should. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Just kidding. Is that big hole in her bed? Here she goes with the pikes.
No.
And then harkies.
Like.
And then pikes. She's bending her knees. I can't do that. Now it's my turn. You can see my eye.